Why did the rooster cross the road? He was looking to relocate. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be sharing with you the road construction here going on in Cambodia, just about every street that you get to. So I'll be showing a transition of all of their hard work from where they were and where they are now. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. The cows have bells on their heads. In a matter of days, the roads have been flattened out. This seems to be the midway point between the dirt roads that's been here forever and the roads that they're after. Hi. Poor cows then got displaced during the build of the roads. I feel your pain. Everybody just seems to be so happy here that they're getting new roads built, but it all comes at a cost. Waking up to absolutely no power, no water, and no internet. I need to get me one of those. Wow. This particular road has always been here since I've been here, but once you get closer to the residential area, that's where the back roads always have been. course this truck is turning. Wow. The very moment that I try to cross the street and nobody's coming. They tore this whole beautiful hotel down. It might be because they're going out of business with no tourists. I'm not sure. But every street has construction. The road has finally opened back up. And you don't have to find alternative routes to be able to get through here now. So that paid off finally. Somebody's happy to get a new road built. Should have brought my mask. Slowly but surely, they're getting it done. It's going to change the whole look of the place. from back roads to main roads. And it's bringing a lot more traffic through here as well. I kind of like the country feel to it when it was the dirt roads. But this is for the people of Cambodia. They've been waiting for these roads for several months and been promised roads, and now they're finally getting it. But everything comes with a cost sometimes. Loud noise in the morning, power outages, no water. But I guess that's what it takes for the transition to get new roads. I think they finally opened the road back up. Let's see. Okay, so the road has been opened back up. This is the place where the cows once sat, and they've been displaced. But I guess that's what it takes for the transition. Sounds like somebody's happy to get a new road built.